Hi everyone, this is AB here and welcome to A Smoky Flavor. Since kids are at home, lockdown is going on, they keep demanding for snacks while doing some activity or watching TV. So I thought let me try something different and kids love macaroni. Isn't it sound amazing? So let's start making pasta crackers. I have taken macaroni here. You will get easily in the market. You can even use any shape of pasta, that is penne pasta, spiral pasta. Also you can use wheat flour pasta or semolina pasta. So here I am using elbow macaroni. So for this we need to boil it first. So in a kadhai or a saucepan, take 2 glass of water. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Then goes 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Let it come to a boil. Then add 1 cup of pasta and mix it well and boil it for 5 to 6 minutes, or you can follow the pocket instruction that is mentioned in the pasta pack. Make sure your pasta is cooked 90%. Now pasta has been boiled and it took around 6 minutes. I am showing you, you can see it is cooked but not completely. So I am guessing it is 90% cooked. Turn off the flame and strain the excess water. If you want, you can wash it with regular water to stop the carryover cooking. And shake it properly. Let the excess water vent out and spread it into a broad plate. Keep this aside for 1 to 2 minutes, not more than that. Don't let it dry completely because it should be little moist, that only we will able to coat it with our flour. So meanwhile we will make our flour mix. In a bowl, take 2 teaspoons of maida. Then add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Then add 1/3 teaspoon of rice flour. Then add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Then goes 1 tablespoon of butter, which is optional. We are like the buttery flavored pasta, that's why I added. If you want, you can add or you can skip. Then mix this well. Then add boiled pasta. Mix this well so that we will get a well coated pasta. Shake it to remove the excess flour. Heat oil in medium to high flame. Once heated, start frying macaroni. Fry it in a batches. So here comes one important tip. Fry it undisturbed for 30 to 40 seconds because it will start breaking if you touch in this initial second. Once you see the bubbles are settling, after that you can use the spatula to move. You can see each macaroni is separated, so now they won't stick with each other and it will get fried perfectly. Fry it on a medium to high flame for 3 to 4 minutes or until it turns golden brown. You can see macaronis are perfectly fried. Remove it in a paper towel. It turns out super crispy. Namkeen means something which is fried, kurkura and chatpata. So let's make it little chatpata. Take all the pasta in a bowl. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of oregano. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and a pinch of red chili powder. You can make this in any flavor. You can add Maggi masala, tandoori masala, garam masala. It is all up to you. Mix this well so that we will get a even coated pasta. So our chatpata macaroni crackers are ready now. Do try it out for your kid. They will definitely enjoy it. You can even store it in an airtight container. It stays fresh for 1 week. So this was my easy recipe for your kid. Hope you like it. If you like it, please share this recipe with your friends and family. Do try it out. Stay safe, stay happy. Till then, bye bye. Jai Jagannath.